Do you feel like something is stopping you from achieving wealth and success? Invisible forces might be at play, and these forces come from within, not outside. Your limiting beliefs about money are like invisible chains. They shape your actions and results, often without you even realizing they're there. You may have tried affirmations or positive thinking. Repeating phrases like, "I am rich," feels unconvincing because your brain resists what it doesn't believe. Repeating affirmations can create resistance. Your mind pushes back with doubt, and this can leave you feeling even more stuck. But here is the good news. Affirmations are not the only way to break free from scarcity. You don't need to force your mind to believe. Instead, we'll explore techniques that actually work. In this video, we will discover powerful methods to rewire your brain, shift your mindset toward financial abundance, and open the door to new opportunities. Chapter 1. What are limiting beliefs and why do they matter? Limiting beliefs are hidden stories we tell ourselves about money. They come from childhood messages like, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or past experiences like financial struggles. Beliefs shape your behavior subconsciously. They act like filters for how you see the world. If you believe money is hard to come by, you may avoid opportunities without even realizing it. These beliefs keep you stuck in a cycle of scarcity. You may settle for less than you deserve or fail to notice opportunities that could improve your financial situation. Chapter 2. How to identify limiting beliefs. The first step to breaking free is bringing these beliefs to light. Ask yourself, what do I believe about money? Pay attention to common thoughts like, "I'll never get ahead." Take time to reflect and write them down. Capture every belief you uncover, no matter how small. For example, you might notice thoughts like, "I'm just not good with money." Ask yourself where each belief came from. Was it something you heard growing up? Or was it shaped by a past financial experience that left a lasting impression? Recognizing these patterns is the first step to change. When you see them clearly, they lose their hold. You begin to realize that these beliefs are not facts. Chapter 3. Why affirmations don't work. Affirmations often fail because they clash with your current reality. Your brain rejects statements it doesn't believe, creating resistance instead of change. Repeating phrases like, "I am rich," can backfire. Your subconscious mind pushes back, saying, "That's not true." This leaves you feeling frustrated and stuck. Affirmations can feel pointless, but there's hope. There are better ways to shift your beliefs methods that work with your brain, not against it. Chapter 4. Techniques that work better. Let's explore powerful techniques for rewiring your mind. These methods are more effective than traditional affirmations and help align your beliefs with abundance. The first technique is the "I don't know how, but" approach. This method removes the pressure of knowing exactly how abundance will come. It opens your mind to possibility. Instead of saying, "I am a millionaire," try saying, "I don't know how, but I now have financial freedom," or "I don't know how, but money is flowing to me effortlessly." The next technique is the "wouldn't it be nice if" method. This gently shifts your focus to positive possibilities without triggering doubt. It creates a sense of ease and curiosity. Instead of worrying, "What if I fail?" try saying, "Wouldn't it be nice if money flowed easily to me?" Or, "Wouldn't it be nice if opportunities came effortlessly?" Another approach is incremental affirmations. Start with smaller, believable affirmations. Build confidence over time with realistic steps, letting progress naturally evolve into bigger truths. Replace "I am rich" with "I am learning to manage my money wisely," or "I am taking steps every day toward financial freedom." These feel more achievable and effective. Gratitude statements shift your energy from lack to abundance. They help you focus on what is already working and attract more of what you appreciate. For example, say, "I'm so grateful for the resources I have today," or "I'm thankful that money flows to me in unexpected ways." Finally, try telling a new story about your journey to success. Focus on progress and possibilities. Let your mind believe the new story you're creating. For example, say, "Every day I'm finding new ways to grow my wealth," or I love how financial opportunities keep coming to me. These stories feel authentic and achievable. Chapter 5. Practicing these techniques. Consistency is the key to shifting your beliefs. Practice these methods daily, even for just a few minutes. Small, regular actions can create big changes. Start your day with gratitude journaling. Reflect on what you're thankful for and set a positive tone for the day. This primes your mind for abundance. End your day by celebrating small wins. Reflect on the steps you took toward abundance and acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Over time, these practices will rewire your brain, shift your energy, and open the door to opportunities you never thought possible. Final thoughts. Limiting beliefs may feel like barriers, but they are not permanent. You have the power to change them with small, consistent steps. The journey to abundance begins with shifting your mindset. If you found this video helpful, like the video to support the channel. Share it with friends who might need these insights, and subscribe for more tools and techniques to unlock your financial potential.